Today we are going to make an underwater volcano! And play! Hi, today we are going to make an underwater volcano! Here's what you're going to need. A tall glass of water with cold water, a small glass of water with warm water, some food coloring, and something to stir with. Let's get started. Come on. Now I'm going to stir in the food coloring once I add it. Now I'm going to stir it. So it's looking like a volcano already. You can wait till the bottom to make sure it goes down to the bottom. 2, you can have a pan to help you.
Can I help you, Piper?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. And
Go. It's exploding. It exploded. That's fun. Definitely really fun. It's exploding. And the reason the water flew out of the little cup was because the little cup had hot water. So it flew out of the hot water into the cold. Now this is going to be the coolest thing ever. Let's do it again. Can't wait to do this. This is going to be fun. Dad, can you please help me put, this time let's try 3 drops of this. And then 3 drops of this. Actually 2 drops of that. 2. And now I'll stir. I think it's ready. Here we go, let's do it. Oh my gosh, it's actually, oh my gosh, it's actually doing it. Warm water makes the food coloring go out, up, and out of the cup. As the warm water becomes cool, it will mix evenly.
Piper is going to equalize the temperature by stirring the water.
As I stir the water, the temperature equalizes. Let's do it one more time. Maybe 2 more. Yeah, definitely 2 more.
A couple of Bristol's friends are joining us via teleconference here, and we're going to do our last one. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Not you should try. This is the funnest thing I've ever did in my life. Click the thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel. And we'll play see you next time. Bye, guys.
Ready for a drink?
I'm not drinking this.